Nike is set to revive some of its most iconic basketball silhouettes, sparking nostalgia while reintroducing timeless designs to modern fans. Central to this strategy is the Air Foamposite Pro, which will return in 2026 with at least 3 colorways. Among them, the standout gym red and black pair, expected in summer 2026, draws heavy inspiration from the 2015 All Red version, echoing past hits like 2002's Varsity Red and 2016's University Red. This rollout doesn't stand alone. The Foamposite comeback begins earlier during holiday 2025 with the return of the classic pearl and pine green editions. The planned revival includes other shades such as University Blue and a bold black version, cementing Nike's intent to spotlight early 2000s basketball icons. By curating both new and familiar looks, Nike fuels sneaker culture's love for retros while expanding its reach to fresh audiences eager to embrace basketball heritage.